Hi, my name's Chris. I'm from TGI Fridays in Southampton. First move I'm going to do today is called the tin spin. This is for certification standard. All you need is a mixing tin, and the object of the move is to spin the tin in the palm of your hand 360 degrees, and you do it like so.
Keeping the tin in the centre of the palm, spin it 360 degrees, catching it upright.
Okay, move number 2 is called behind you. Okay, this is for certification level, and the equipment you need again is just the mixing tin. The object of the move is to throw the tin from off the bar top behind you and catch it with your left hand. Throw with your right hand, catch with your left hand, like so.
As the tin leaves the bar top, aim towards the top of your shoulder, turning slightly, catching in your hand behind you.
Move number 3 is called the classic move. This is based on certification level, and the object of the move is to throw the Collins glass off the bar top, spin it and catch it behind your back with your left hand. The only equipment you need is a Collins glass, and this is how to do the move.
Toss the glass by the base, over the top of your shoulder, turning slightly, catching your hand behind you, making sure not to handle the rim of the glass.